Welcome once again to this channel, my people. It's always a pleasure having you tuned in to this channel. I'm back again with Mr. Philip on this channel, and today we want to talk about the secret behind Kerala's traditional herbal treatment. So Mr. Philip is out here and he's going to tell us about the traditional herbal treatment and massage, and he also has a few ingredients of the traditional herbal massage. So welcome to the channel, Mr. Philip, and my people, welcome to the channel. Elawakum namaskaram, my people. Thank you. So my brother, last time you talked of kiri. So tell us more about kiri.
So kiri means the medicine we are using inside the pouch. We put in a pouch and we'll tie it tightly, and we will heated medical oil, and we'll apply on that one to the area where you affected. And there are three types of kiris are there mainly. This is powdered kiri, that is the medicine we are make powder, dried one, and put it in this pouch. That is the one type. The other one is called ela kiri. Ela means the leaf kiri. Leaves, certain leaves, medical leaves, we pluck it and we'll fry it in the medicated oil, and we'll put in a pouch and we'll apply on the soul. That's the second type. And the third one is called nyavara kiri. Nyavara means certain one kind of grains. So that grains will put in milk, and it will boil in a certain stage, and we'll put in a pouch and we'll apply it. So these are the three types of kiris mainly using.
So, and what are the things that you put in kiri? What are the secret ingredients that you put in kiri?
Actually, in kiri, I know a few things. I can tell you this. This is Devadaru is there, Chaduguppa is there, then Agastu Kuru is there. So it's going on. There are more than 12 items they include. Actually, this is a secret thing. In our place, there is, I told you, the culinary centers are there. Each culinary centers, they are using different of recipes. That is a secret thing. They pass through the traditionally masters to the students. They pass it, and it's going on. And each culinary have their own recipes.
So, my brother, I don't know if you managed to come today with some of the ingredients with you. Did you come with the ingredients to show our viewers?
Yes, of course, I have brought it. Some of it.
Yeah, I mean, I'd be very happy also to get to see this kiri.
Yeah.
And also the secret ingredients that you guys use on this traditional herbal massage.
I can show you.
Oh, it's...
Yeah, the kiri, this is what we call as kiri. Mm-hmm. The medicine we put in a cloth that is called pouch, and we'll the string will tight it very tightly, and we'll use by heating this one with the oil, medicated oil, or without medicated oil you can use it.
Okay.
So this is I applied in the oil, medicated oil. The oil which I was using also I brought it, that is called cotton chukadi. This oil is called cotton chukadi.
Cotton chukadi.
Every culinary they have different oils, medicated oils, they use it.
Okay.
And I have brought this medicine which I told you, the fine this ingredients. They powder it, that is called powdered kiri. So these are more than 12 items in this one.
Okay.
We use it. So some of them I can tell you. That is Devadaru, Chaduguppa, Agasikuru. Like that it is, there are so many. This is a secret medicine they are using in this one. That's I told you, each culinary have their own recipes.
Okay.
So this will pass through traditionally from masters to the students. It is passing. And each culinary they use different recipes. They have their own. So they will not tell. That is their secret things.
So whenever they're using this kiri,
Yeah.
do they have to put, you've talked of 12 different ingredients out here,
Yeah, herbals.
the herbs.
Uh,
You've talked of every kiri,
yeah.
they use different herbs. Is it necessary just to have, like, all the kiris, do they normally use the 12 ingredients, or sometimes it's less of the herbs?
Normally it is told normally, and some cases they put more. That is what I told the kalari, they put different things.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what.
Oh, nice. So, what about, I've seen also you got one thing here. I don't know what this thing is for. What is this thing meant
This
for?
is for while massaging. Some people have some knots in their body, the soft tissues. They have maybe get some hurts.
Swollen stuff.
No, they got some hurt, so they don't mind. They only just rub it and leave it. They don't treat.
Oh, okay.
So in that case, it will become like a stone. Years will go, the muscles will wrap it on that one, and it will become a knot like a stone. It will become. So it's very hard to rub it with our hands.
Massage it with
Massage it.
yeah.
Massage it with the hands. So in that case, we use this one. See, like a thorn it is.
Yeah.
So little bit crushing. So it will be easy. You can cure little bit quicker. Otherwise, it's very hard.
Will it not be very painful to use
No,
this?
this is wooden, but you have to take little bit pain. It's not much pain, but little bit. There is no pain, no gain.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
That's true.
yeah.
So, so you've talked of also the oil out here,
Yeah,
the secret oil.
yeah.
Where does this oil come from?
This is different leaves. They extract it and they make it. This is one of it is called kotajukadi. One kalari they make it this one, and different kalaris they make different one. So they use different oils, medical oils.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's good. So, what happened is that you put the oil in the pan,
Yeah.
you heat the oil.
Then heat it in a certain heat, not very hot, little bit heat, and it will apply the. We put the kiri inside so that it will get become hot.
Okay.
Then we apply on that area or the whole area wherever it is affected, the sickness.
That's quite impressive. So, my brother, it's been a pleasure to have you on this channel, and want to welcome you once again, just to show, rather to demonstrate to our viewers how this traditional herbal massage is done. Are you very ready to demonstrate to our viewers on how it's done?
Of course, you are always welcome whenever you are needed. I can show you the demonstration how to do this massage.
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah, you are welcome.
It's always a pleasure having you.
Yeah.
So, what is the final thing that you want to tell our viewers?
The viewers, this if you treat this Ayurvedic, it can cure. As you go to the doctor as early, you can cure as early. And if you delay it, certain case, it will take time. Still, I have to leave the 99% Ayurvedic treatment is best because the side effects are very less. That's my advice.
What about, tell them also something in your language.
പ്രിയപ്പെട്ടവരെ, നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിലെ പാരമ്പരാഗതമായിട്ടുള്ള ആയുർവേദ ട്രീറ്റ്മെന്റിനെ കുറിച്ച് ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ സുഹൃത്തായ ഗബ്രിയലിനോട് വിവരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ആൾക്കാരും ഒരു യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലുണ്ട്. അവരത് വളരെയധികം ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് പലരും അത് വാച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങളതിനെ പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കണം. വീണ്ടും കാണുന്നതുവരെ നമസ്കാരം.
Namaskaram. I don't know what you said, but I just said namaskaram.
Yeah.
Okay, my viewers, it's a pleasure having you always watching us on this channel. And you can always watch our next video about the massage, on how it's done. Philip will be demonstrating about the massage and how it's done. So keep watching our videos, and welcome once again to our channel. Elawakum.
Namaste.
Namaskaram. Bye bye, my viewers.